Mr. K,
Yeah.
you only have 10 minutes, Mr. K, today.
Okay.
Mr. K, what I want to ask you is that since I heard you, ne,
Yeah.
saying you want to help, especially people who say they've never been in a cruise ship before,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So, Mr. K, how are you going to help them? Like, how do you think it's going to help in order for you to be able to help them? Because obviously, no one just wakes up in the morning and decide, okay, I'm taking this body with me to the cruise ship. It's
Yeah.
money.
Yeah. I know. I know. All right. What I have in mind is this, especially for most, South Africans. I'm talking. I'm not only talking about South Africa. I'm talking about Africans. Since I'm in South Africa, I'm in Cape Town. There's a lot of soccer fans who are actually who are supporting Kaizer Chiefs, supporting Mamelodi Sundowns, supporting Orlando Pirates, and most of these guys we have them on our groups, right? We've been having these guys since the year 2020 during our COVID-19. So what I'm thinking of doing is that I've created some sort of a campaign, right? A campaign. That campaign, what will happen is that it's a campaign that is actually, it's a funding. It's like a funding, a crowdfunding, where anyone can actually, come along and donate whatever amount is starting from 20 rand up. You can put your 20 rand, you can put your 30 rand, you can put your 35 rand, you can put your 50 rand. But, generosity, it's all over. People who are fulfilled that, they want to put maybe 1,000 rand, they want to put 500 rand, they want to put 600 rand, they want to put maybe a month, 200 rand, whatsoever. They can do that, right? So what will happen is that on that campaign, on that crowdfunding campaign, what we have done, we are going to select only 10 people, right? For a first trip, we are going to select 10 people. So those 10 soccer fans, those 10 Kaizer Chiefs, Mamelodi Sundowns, and Orlando Pirates fans are going to be selected, right? And once they are selected, we'll put them. We do have a travel group where it's a WhatsApp travel group where we are all together, right? At the moment, we've got plus minus 100 and something people that are there, that are very interested, and so forth. So if you want to come, you want to join, you want to be part of us as well, feel free, right? I'm going to, on our bio, on our TikTok bio, you'll see there's a link that you can, follow. That link, it's a crowdfunding link that is going to help all members to be funded by the public, right? So the public is going to actually be funding for you guys, going to be donating, and so forth. So we're asking you to be part of us. Come. We are planning 2 vacations, right? The first vacation is next year, June. You see, we are planning everything well in advance, right? We are planning everything well in advance. We want you to come with us on our groups, on our soccer group. If you are not on our soccer groups, come on our soccer groups, join us, and be on our travel group as well, where we can give you more information and all those type of things, what's happening and all those type of things, right? So what will happen is that we're going to select the first 10 people. We are going to help them with, cruise ship tickets, flight tickets, return flight tickets from Johannesburg. We're all going to be together. I don't want people to be, departing from Durban, departing from Cape Town. I want all of us to depart from one airport, which is what? Which is OR Tambo International Airport, right? So we all people that are actually in the Eastern Cape, in Durban, in all provinces of South Africa we are going to combine together at OR Tambo, right? We are going to get a jumbo flight, right? Double-decker flight. It's an Emirates airline that we are going to be flying with, right? So that Emirates airline is going to be, departing from Johannesburg. We are going to go through via Dubai, right? So Dubai will probably spend 3 to 4 hours before our connection. So the trip will start on the 30th of May next season, right? Next season. So if you want to be part of us, just start planning now, right? Start planning now. So we'll depart South Africa on the 30th of May next season, and we are going to be arriving in Dubai the following day. So it's about a 12-hour flight. On a flight, guys, you get everything. You get, to be spoiled. I'm just thinking now about your TikTok accounts, your YouTube accounts, your Instagram account. It's all going to be so sweet, So we are going to be leaving Johannesburg. We are going to be arriving in Dubai. We'll spend 3 to 4 hours in Dubai at the airport. Before connecting flight, we are going to Barcelona, right? Barcelona will arrive on the 31st, right? So we'll sleep over at the hotel on the 31st. And on the 1st of June, we are going to take a tour. We are going to Barcelona Stadium, right? At the Barcelona Stadium, where we can take fans, our those people that are going to be selected, we take them to Barcelona Stadium. And on the 2nd of June, now the cruise ship departs from Barcelona. The cruise ship will go will visit multiple countries, multiple destinations. We'll visit Rome, we'll visit, Palma de Mallorca, we'll visit, a lot of cities, all right, in Rome and so forth. And so we are going to be doing a cruise ship tour. In that case, and also the cruise ship will also be going to Tunisia, right? I've never been to Tunisia myself, but I want to be there.
This is very interesting, Mr. K.
Yeah, very interesting. So if you want to be part of us, so after the cruise ship will be 7 days on a cruise ship. Remember, everything is paid for, right? Everything is paid for. Once we have booked for you, we are going to arrange for a Schengen visa for you. And that Schengen visa allows you to travel to multiple destinations. And after the cruise ship, we'll spend 7 days on a cruise ship. And after 7 days, what will happen is that we are going to spend another 8 days. So you'll have up to 15 days, vacation altogether.
Mr. K, now that you already put up a date, now I'm kind of skeptical, thinking now, how is Mr. K going to do this? Because what if now the funding does not get to where it's supposed to be, and you already put up a date? Like, how sure are you this funding is gonna?
No, we are going to check the situation. We are going to monitor the situation. I mean, we've got a lot of people that are going to be pushing this funding. We are asking people from TikTok as well. Let them help us. Let us help them. Maybe they can be part of us. They can be part of us, because we are going to be planning 2 vacations per year, right? Starting from next year. So the first vacation will start in June. The second vacation will be in December next
So
season.
all in all, you're not pushing alone.
No, I'm not pushing
So
alone. We are pushing with the public. Also,
Okay.
the guys on our groups as well. We've got the guys, we've got people on our channel.
Are they helping to
They are
make
helping.
sure that
They
the
are helping.
funding
They are
is
actually helping. They are donating
is done?
and so forth. It doesn't matter how much is it. 20 rand, 30 rand, doesn't matter. You can be part of us. As long as you do your donation and you become part of us, we put you on our group. Whether you qualify for next year June, or you qualify in December, it doesn't matter. As long as you will be out of South Africa, you will be going on a cruise ship.
I don't want to lie, Mr. K. I'm kind of like scared, thinking, it's a short time, man. Like, how
it's
are
1
you
year.
going
It's
to
1 year.
pull this up?
No, it's 1 year.
I mean, I love your faith,
Yeah?
I must say,
It's
and
1 year.
I don't want to pull you down, Mr. K.
Yeah.
I don't want to pull you down.
definitely.
I believe in what you believe in. I believe it's gonna happen, as long as you say it's gonna happen, because I believe it's your faith.
Yeah, exactly.
And I don't want to pull down your faith.
We all
Exactly,
understand.
exactly.
They must help us. They've got friends at work. They've got people. They've got family and friends. They can always share the link and so forth. Understand?
Guys, let us trust Mr. K, and let us trust his faith. I believe he's a praying man. He knows what he's talking about.
Yeah.
So if you don't have that faith, don't pull him down.
Yeah.
Let us just sit back and relax and do what we're supposed to do. Obviously, put our cents in there, whatever we can, to make sure we support Mr. K's vision here.
100%. 100%.